So now let's see how we can work around with snap and grid settings inside a vector. So to do that, I'm going to go around under shapes right here. And for example, I'm going to go around and bring in this shape. So if I were to go around and let's say, for example, zoom in right here, and then if I were to move this, you can see that I can move this freely around over here. But if I were to go around under settings right here, then you can see that snap to pixels is an option. So over here, overall, this particular project right here has a dimension, and it has pixels as well. Since it's vector graphics, you can see that it's not taking pixel into account. But if you want to take pixel in account and snap to them, then you can go around and snap to pixels right here. And now what happens is that it snaps according to the pixels, as you can see right here. If I were to zoom in even more, you can see that now it is not very smooth right here, because whatever pixel is there, it is defined. It just goes around and snaps to the pixel. But if I were to go around and disable this, then this is smooth, as you can see right here, and it does not take pixel into account right here. So you can turn this on or off according to how you want. You can also enable the grid block size themes right here. So if I were to go around, enable out the grid, you can see the grid right here. So just like this, you do see the grid over here. So let me just go around and turn this, let's say, for example, black right here, and you can see the grid. So the grid line is 20 pixels wide right here, but you can go around and make it 1 pixel over here, just like this as well. And now you can see that the snapping is 1 pixel, just like this, and that is what you have. You can also go around and make it, let's say, for example, 10 pixels larger right here, just like this, and now the snapping is there in 1 pixel, but you can see that now this is 10 pixel wide right here. Apart from that, you can go around and darken every grid on certain number of pixels, certain number of grid. Let's say, for example, you want to darken grid every 2 blocks right here. Then what happens is that every 2 blocks, the grid will be darkened out. So you can see that certain 2 blocks, the grid is much more darker right here. It's more bolder right here. And this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with snap and grid settings inside a vector. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.